I'm here and ready to help. Let's take care of everyone. Don't worry. We're strong, careful, and ready to rescue. I'll clear the way. Stay close and stay safe. Easy does it. I've got this. This. There's more trouble by the river. We need to hurry. This river is strong. We must be extra careful. I can hold the tree steady. Let's do this safely. I'm holding it. Hurry! Area secured. You can focus on the rescue.
Follow my lead. Stay right behind me.
You're safe now. We've got you. Great job, team. Another life saved. Stay close. This ground may still be unstable. Wait! I see movement here. Something is trapped.
Scanning complete. Things are finally calming down.
Roads are clear. Area is safe again. All clean. Nature can heal now. Great work, team! Let's head back!
Mission accomplished. Everything looks safe now.
I'm so glad everyone is safe.
Mission complete. Great teamwork, everyone.
That was a long day, but it was worth it.
Recharge time. See you soon.
That tickles. I feel brand new. Today showed us what teamwork can really do. When we work together and protect nature, everyone can be safe.
It feels good to be home. Good night, everyone.
Good morning, team. Ready for a new day.
All systems ready. Let's go help again.
A brand new day to help others.
Wherever help is needed, we'll be there.
Weather alert detected. Monitoring required.
New signal detected. Ready to investigate.
Team, let's stay sharp. Another call may be coming.
Potential risk area identified.
No matter what comes next, we're ready.
Scanning new areas now. Everything looks calm, for now.
All monitored zones currently stable.
Standing by and ready. All tools checked. I'm ready to dig in.
Wind speed is increasing. Weather might change soon.
Let's stay ready. We'll move when it's needed.
Returning to base. Weather is getting wetter.
We'll keep an eye on it. Safety comes first.
Thanks for watching. See you on the next rescue adventure.
We did great today, team! We did great today, team! Mission complete! See you next time!
Remember, kids, always stay safe and listen to helpers during storms. Miniatune Rescue will always be here to help.
Even heroes need to relax.
A little fun is good for everyone. I'm picking up a new signal.
Looks like another adventure is coming.
Whoa! A new rescue is on the way.
Whatever comes next, we'll face it together.
So many places still need help. Every place matters, and every rescue counts.
Thank you for watching Miniatune Rescue.
See you next time, little rescuers!